Hey, Kevin Lawrence here, also known as Coach Kevin. Hope you can join me for the session I'm doing with the growth faculty on the 4 forces of growth. And we look at what does it take, just like flying an airplane, what does it take to fly a business and stay in growth mode and keep gaining altitude? And so we took a look at the 4 forces of flight, and it's very similar to building a great enduring business. And you've got the forces of lift, which in the case of a business and scaling a business is looking up at opportunities. And then you got the forces of thrust taking you forward, which is like drive and push to move your business ahead. But then you've also got the forces of drag, which is like problems that get you looking down and getting in trouble. So I'm going to teach you this model and have you think so you can consciously have the right amount of energy going towards growth. And growth is the combination of opportunities and courage to push ahead versus problem solving, which gets you to look down although you push forward and you optimize your business. So growth or optimization, what's more important, and help you figure out the right amount of time to spend in each of those areas so your business continues to do well even in these turbulent times. Hope to see you there.